Hey guys, this is Tripped Over. Today, you call me George Lopez. And now we're gonna resuming Deadbolt. Load game, supply and demand. So we're about a quarter of the way there. Last episode, let's talk to the fire first. The flames roar to life, and I see visions inside. Mission, your location explained. Burn the ash, burn the dead, and free souls contained. Intel. My mission is to destroy all the ash. It is best if I focus on killing the undead first. So, we just learned some information last time. We got all these suckers down. The boogeyman was the last one. And our candle buddy, this one. Our candle buddy told us where to find all the drugs and stuff. So, supply and demand. Destroy the warehouse where the Zombie Kingz store their drugs. So basically now we're starting to wage war on the Zombie Kingz. You need more men protecting the ash. Bring your own. Okay. I do not like those guys up there. Okay, punch this guy. God damn it. Okay, we're gonna wait for him. Get wrecked, bench. Jesus Christ. Kill him. Uh-oh. Got him. Oh, I'm not liking the situation here. Not liking it one bit. So, but we're gonna take the Caesar out, knock, and blow his brains everywhere, and escape. I'm not liking this either. God damn, there's too many. Oh, jeez. So I suspected that as a... God damn it. Nah. Maybe. Nope. I suspected as much. But you know what? That's life. God damn it, we gotta wait for this guy to pass. Fuck. Come on, big guy. I could take a risky maneuver now. Nah. I'm too much of a coward to do that. Okay, he dead. He gonna die. He got killed. He gonna die. Or not. He not gonna die, apparently. He gonna die. Oh, God damn it. Knock on the door. Open the door. Okay. Alright. No mistakes this time. No mistakes. Fuck. See, stick this. Oh my God, I can't die now. I can't die. That was too fucking good. Oh my God. Seriously, that was too good. I can't die now. I really can't. Oh my God. Oh, damn it, I wasted more aim than I wanted to. Damn it, you wouldn't die. Fuck, I can't. Ah, damn it. This thing I have two. There goes the two hammers that I have. Okay. No mistakes. No mistakes. Got him. Can't need that fucker to come here. Unless I can get him to go. Fuck. No way I could shoot him. Nope, no way. I say alert them all. Okay, get him to come in here. and then I shall kill him. Got him. Oh, wrong button. There we go. Okay. Damn, this game got hard. Is he good? Yeah, is he good? What the fuck? I'll take it. Okay, I really don't want to die now. Die. Fucking time, there we go. Oh my god. Burn. Oh, I swear to god, there better not be reinforcements. That was a pain itself. Oh my god. Okay, shoot. God damn it. Oh my god. Oh, it scared me. We did it. Supply and demand. Time, death, 14. Okay, damn it. Well, I should have known. Need to continue. Oh my god. Sit and talk to the flames. The flames return to life, and I see blood inside. Mission. Attempting to lead this creates a salvation. A man of ambition cannot live with me. Intel. Roland's house is filled with many guards, but the only target is Roland. I'll separate him from his men. Roland. His death will shatter the Zombie Kingz leadership. I must remember that the mission is to kill Roland, not the others. Wait, so I'm... Okay, so I gotta kill Roland now. Ooh, dang, but Roland looks so hip, dang. Kill Roland, the leaders of the Zombie Kingz. I don't know if I can. Look at him, he's got that... The Sigma... God damn it. Go home to Boss Reaper. God damn, he's psychic. I don't know if I can do this. Like he's... Oh! Sledgehammer! Can I throw it? Oh, there's no way. Okay. Oh! Love it. Love it. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh Jesus. Did I kill them all? Die. Got him. Okay, let's not waste ammo. This guy's gonna become very suspicious. Fuck. Okay. Okay, I have one more bullet left. Not anymore. Okay. Things are going good. Things are going very good. Too good. Okay, it's the head guys now. And damn it, I'm out of weapons. Fuck. Okay. Whoa. What is... Damn it, Roland's coming. Wait, is he? No, he's not. Oh, fuck, he is. Damn it! Damn it! Fuck. Damn it! Keep making the same mistakes over and over. Ain't too bad. Focus! Okay, he's dead. Game over for him. Game over for him. No games. Bam. Bam. Open the door. Come on, come on, fool. Come up here, fool. God damn, come on. Oh, come on. The moment he fucking comes up, he's dead. Damn it, I don't want to make a mistake, though. Okay, we can do this. Got him. There we go. Came down to one bullet. Okay, I have to be wise about this. Okay, come on, come on. Come on. Come on up here, buddy boy. One of them's gonna make a mistake. I'll be ready to strike. Come on. 50 off the gun. Got him. Come on. God damn it, you idiot. Look, he literally ran right past me. I don't want to waste my weapon, though. Okay, come on, I gotta beat him, I gotta beat him. Got him. Die, you bench. Okay. Nothing but strategy. Okay, that fucker's dead. Next one. Okay, he's dead too. Fuck. Roland's coming. Damn it. Damn it, Roland's coming for me. Come on, Roland. Come on, buddy boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. It's game time, guys. The moment he comes through that door, I gotta got the motherfucker. Thank God. Wait. Oh, do I take fall damage though? I don't want to risk it. Damn it. If I knew for certain, then I wouldn't have to do anything about it. Damn it, I gotta. Fuck. Well, come on. Oh, fuck. Oh, we're gonna have to risk you guys. This might be a game over right here. Route. Enter car. Oh, thank God. Roland. 8 minutes. 4, 16, 2. I'll take it. Okay. Let's see what's going on. And I think we'll be ready to call it for day. The flames roar to life. Mission, pale moonlight, touch, no heat. Vampires flock, find out why. Intel, dancing vampires won't notice your presence unless you shoot them. Vampires, tall and dead, said to be formed by betrayal from a mother. They are much more dangerous than zombies. I have to make sure that every shot counts. Mirror, look upon your reflection, said the fireplace. Remember that you are different. You are not undead. Okay, well, let's just take a peek at the missions, and I think... Oh, so there's more, okay. 1,000 years road. But you know what? I think we did a good today. Killed Roland, all that good business. You know, I think that's enough to call it. So you know what? I'll see you next time. Good night.